Hello students, in the previous video lecture we have discussed how to solve homogeneous partial differential equations if the given partial differential equation involves derivatives with respect to one independent variable only. Now we shall continue with the exercise problems on homogeneous partial differential equations. Question number 4. Solve dou square u by dou x square plus u equal to 0, where u satisfies the conditions u of 0, y equal to e power half and dou u by dou x of 0, y equal to 1. The given partial differential equation is dou square u by dou x square plus u is equal to 0. We write this partial differential equation in the form of ordinary differential equation, that is d square u by dx square plus u equal to 0, or we write it as d square plus 1 into u equal to 0, where d is d by dx, because in the given partial differential equation we have partial derivative of u with respect to x only. Now the auxiliary equation is m square plus 1, or we write m square equal to minus 1, and the roots are complex roots, so m is equal to plus or minus I. Since the roots are plus or minus I, here we write the solution of ordinary differential equation as u is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is a solution of ordinary differential equation. And the solution of partial differential equation is obtained by replacing c1 and c2 by functions of other variable, that is y. Now we replace c1 by f of y and c2 by g of y. So we write the solution of partial differential equation as u is equal to f of y cos x plus g of y sin x. Take it as equation number 1. In the problem, the initial condition is given for dou u by dou x. To use this condition, we take partial derivative of equation 1 with respect to x. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we write dou u by dou x equal to, in the right hand side, when we take partial derivative with respect to x, f of y term is constant, f of y is constant, into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So first term is minus f of y sin x plus partial derivative of g of y sin x with respect to x. G of y constant, derivative of sin x is cos x. So we are getting dou u by dou x equal to minus f of y sin x plus g of y cos x. Take it as equation number 2. Now we can use the given conditions, that is, we take the first condition u of 0, y equal to e power half. That means when x is equal to 0, u is equal to e power half, or we can write it as root e. U of 0, y equal to e power half means when x equal to 0, u is equal to square root of e. So using this condition in equation 1, we write root e is equal to, in the right hand side we put x0, that is f of y into cos 0 1, f of y plus next term is 0, because we have sine function, sine 0 is 0. Now we obtain f of y is equal to square root of e. Similarly, we have one more condition. It is for dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x of 0, y is equal to 0. That means when x equal to 0, dou u by dou x is 1. So using this condition in equation 2, we write dou u by dou x, that is equal to 1, equal to, in the right hand side we put x0. So when we put x0 here, this will be 0, and second term becomes g of y into cos 0 1. So it is g of y, 0 plus g of y. That gives g of y is equal to 1. So f of y is root e and g of y is equal to 1. Now substituting f of y and g of y in equation 1, we can write the solution of the given partial differential equation. That will be u is equal to square root of e cos x plus sin x. Now we will solve the next question. It is question number 5. Solve dou square z by dou x square plus 3 into dou z by dou x minus 4z equal to 0. Subject to the conditions that z is equal to 1, dou z by dou x equal to y when x equal to 0. The given partial differential equation is dou square z by dou x square plus 3 into dou z by dou x minus 4z equal to 0. We write the given partial differential equation in the ordinary differential equation form, that is d square z by dx square plus 3 into dz by dx minus 4z equal to 0. Or we write it as d square minus 3d minus 4 into z equal to 0, where differential operator d is d by dx. Now, the auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. We can factorize this. We write it as m square plus 4m minus 4 equal to 0, or m into m plus 4 minus of m plus 4 equal to 0. Now we obtain two factors m minus 1 into m plus 4, that is equal to 0. The roots are 1 and minus 4. We obtain two roots. The roots are real and distinct. So we write the solution of ordinary differential equation as z is equal to c1 into e power mx, where m is the first root. So we write c1 e power x plus c2 into e to the power minus 4x. This is the solution of ordinary differential equation. Now, the solution of a partial differential equation is obtained by replacing constants by functions of other variable, that is y. So we replace c1 by f of y and c2 by g of y. Now, the solution of partial differential equation is z is equal to f of y e power x plus g of y into e to the power minus 4x. Take it as equation number 1. And in the problem, we have the initial condition for dou z by dou x. To substitute this condition, we require partial derivative of this with respect to x, that will be dou z by dou x. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we write dou z by dou x equal to, here f of y constant into derivative of e power x will be e power x. Next, plus g of y into e to the power minus 4x. Partial derivative with respect to x, g of y is constant. So g of y into partial derivative of e to the power minus 4x is minus 4 into e to the power minus 4x. So we obtain dou z by dou x equal to f of y e power x minus 4 into g of y into e to the power minus 4x. Take it as equation number 2. Now, we can make use of the given conditions, that is, when x equal to 0, z is equal to 1. When x equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Using this condition in equation 1, we write z is equal to 1, 1 is equal to, here we put x0. When we take x0 here, we obtain f of y plus g of y. That gives 1 is equal to f of y plus g of y. We will get one equation involving two functions, that is f and g. Similarly, using the second condition, it is dou z by dou x equal to y when x equal to 0. Dou z by dou x equal to y when x equal to 0. Using this condition in equation number 2, we write dou z by dou x equal to y is equal to, in the right hand side we put x0, then we get f of y into e power 0 is 1, minus 4 into g of y into e power minus 4x is 1. That will be f of y minus 4 into g of y. Now we have two equations. First one is f of y plus g of y is equal to 1. Next one is f of y minus 4 into g of y equal to y. We take the equations as 3 and 4. Then to find f of y and g of y, we can solve these two equations. Equation 3 minus equation 4. When we subtract the fourth equation from third equation, we write 5 into g of y equal to 1 minus y, or g of y is equal to 1 minus y divided by 5. And substituting this f of g of y value in any one of the equations, I will substitute in equation 3 f of y plus g of y equal to 1. We write f of y is equal to 1 minus g of y, that is 1 minus g of y is 1 minus y by 5. So we simplify this by taking common denominator 5, then it will be 5 minus 1 plus y divided by 5. So we obtain f of y is equal to 4 plus y divided by 5. So after getting f of y and g of y, We write the solution of partial differential equation by substituting f of phi and g of phi in equation 1. That is, the solution of partial differential equation is z is equal to 4 plus y divided by 5 into e power x plus 1 minus y divided by 5 into e to the power minus 4x. Now we will work out the sixth problem. Question number 6 is solve dou square z by dou y square equal to z, given that when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x and dou z by dou y equal to e to the power minus x. We take the given partial differential equation in the ordinary differential equation form, that is d square z by dy square equal to z, or d square z by dy square minus z equal to 0. That is d square minus 1 into z equal to 0, where d is d by dy, because here in the given partial differential equation it is partial derivative with respect to y only. Now the auxiliary equation will be m square minus 1 is equal to 0, or we write m square equal to 1. Then m is equal to plus or minus 1. We obtain two distinct roots. Now the solution of ordinary differential equation is c1 into e power y plus c2 into e to the power minus y. Since differential operator d is d by dy, here we write the solution in terms of y only. That is z is equal to c1 e power y plus c2 into e to the power minus y. Then we write the solution of partial differential equation by replacing c1 and c2 by functions of other variable, that is x here. So c1 is replaced by function of x and c2 is also replaced by function of x. We replace c1 by f of x and c2 by g of x. Then we obtain the solution of partial differential equation as z is equal to f of x into e power y plus g of x into e to the power minus y. We'll take it as equation number 1. Now, in the problem, we have the initial condition for dou z by dou y. To apply this condition, we require dou z by dou y, that is the partial derivative of this with respect to y. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain dou z by dou y equal to, here partial derivative of f of x e power y with respect to y, f of x is constant, partial derivative of e power y with respect to y is e power y. And partial derivative of second term with respect to y, g of x is constant, into partial derivative of e to the power minus y with respect to y is minus e to the power minus y. So we will get dou z by dou y is equal to f of x e power y minus g of x into e to the power minus y. Take it as equation number 2. Now we can make use of the given conditions. Given that when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x. When y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x. So using this condition in equation 1, that is z is e power x and y is 0. So this becomes 1. E power 0 is 1. E power minus 0, this is also 1. So we obtain e power x equal to f of x plus g of x. E power x equal to f of x plus g of x. Similarly, using the second condition, that is when y is equal to 0, dou z by dou y equal to e power minus x. Using this condition in equation number 2, we write e power minus x equal to f of x minus g of x. Now here we got two equations, that is f of x plus g of x is e power x, we'll take it as equation 3, and f of x minus g of x as e power minus x, take it as equation number 4. To find f of x and g of x, we can solve these two equations. Equation 3 plus 4, when we add the two equations, we can eliminate g of x and we can find f of x. So equation 3 plus 4 gives f of x plus f of x, 2 times f of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x. That is f of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. But e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. This is a formula for cos hx. So we write f of x equal to cos hx. Similarly, equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 minus equation 4, we write 2 into g of x equal to e power x minus e power minus x, or g of x equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. And this is a formula for sine hyperbolic x. Now we obtain g of x equal to sine hx. So we got f of x equal to cos hx and g of x equal to sine hx. Now substitute f of x and g of x in equation 1. Substituting f of x and g of x in equation 1, we get the solution of partial differential equation as z is equal to cos hx into e power y plus sin hx into e to the power minus y. This is a required solution.